Hi guys, in this video I am trying to tell you how to set up IPTV Smarters Pro on Firestick, Google TV and any Android TV. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you need any IPTV subscription, you can contact me at WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. Let's start the video. First, you need to open IPTV Smarters Pro. When you open it, you will see too many options. I will select Extreme Code API. Here you can see that app is demanding playlist name, username, password and a URL. If you don't have a URL, you can contact me at WhatsApp and I will provide you. If you have your own URL and password, you can put them. As you can see that I have successfully logged into my IPTV Smarters Pro app. Now I am gonna show you my subscription. My service has 26k live channels along with football, cricket and many more sport. It has 48k movies and almost 6k series. Include Netflix, Amazon Prime Video and many more. If you are interested in subscription, then you can contact me at WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.